Are you looking for the best mortgage rate? Look no further. Greenflow Financial can not only secure the best mortgage rates, but also brings you best options that suit your specific needs. Give us a call today at 416-712-0006.
Billy here. So today's tutorial is on Amazon Flex, and discovered a couple of new things, so which I want to share with you. First of all, the about the GPS. So there is some contention which GPS to use, whether you're going to use a multi-stop trucking GPS or you're going to use the Amazon's Flex GPS, and the answer is Amazon Flex, because Amazon Flex give you the right street number, and the other GPS give you plus minus 100 meter, and that plus minus 100 meter basically translates into waste of time. So but the Amazon Flex GPS gives you very accurate stop right in front of the home. So if you are like uh, driving using the Flex, your walking time will be less, and that is what you should aim for, to reduce the walking time and ensure that you make a correct stop. The other GPSs are not making that correct stop. On that same note, I just want to mention a couple of things, that the street numbers are ascending from south to north, A, and descending in south when you're driving southbound, and ascending when you're driving northbound. B, in case of Toronto, on the west side, the odd numbers will be on a street. The odd numbers will be on your west of Yonge, will be on your east side, and the even number will be on your left side or the west side. But if you are east of Yonge, then your odd number will be onto the west side, and even number will be onto the east. Even number will be onto the uh, east side, and the numbers are increasing when you're going westbound. Westbound, if you're onto the west side of the Yonge, and numbers will be decreasing if you go eastbound on the west side of Yonge. Okay, next thing is street number will be increasing when you're eastbound onto the east side of the street, and the numbers will be decreasing when you are westbound onto the east side of the street. So that is one logic, and that should help you to get a sense of direction where you're heading to. So use the Amazon GPS firstly, and secondly, there is another thing which Amazon provides. It's a yellow sticker. So that yellow sticker basically is very helpful. How should you stick your boxes, and how should you stick your envelopes? So first, the boxes. So the yellow sticker basically gives you two stops: the previous stop and the next stop. So if it's a 1-1 and the second one is in the brackets, that means this is the first stop. So there is no previous stop. But if it is like 1-2, two in the bracket, that means it's a second stop. The package will be dropped at the second stop, and prior to that second stop, there was a first stop. And similarly, if there are 27 stops, so you can expect, and on the 27 stop, there are 5 packages. So all those 5 packages will have a number like 26, bracket 27, which means prior to the previous stop was 26, and the next stop, and the current stop is going to be 27. So the way you should take it, the higher the number, the higher the stop, the farther you're on the route. So the way you should stake your boxes is you should stake a larger number boxes at the back and the lower number at the front, because you will be starting with 1 1, and in case, for example, there are 27 in stock, and then you will be ending on 26 27. So that's how you should stake your boxes. In case of the envelopes, similar logic, just stake them using the numbers on the yellow sticker, which are driver's sticker. Stake them in a ascending order. So keep 1 at the top and 1 at the top, and 26 27 at the bottom. So that is a useful information. Will save tons of time for you. And if you have any questions, more questions, don't forget to update in the comment section. Lastly, I just want to mention that the communication from the Flex is not very precise. So always return the packages on a same day basis, because then Amazon will start sending you very some sort of various emails, maybe false statements. Anyhow, so try to do a same day return, and that will save you a lot of hassle. Okay, great. Thank you. Bye.